In this activity, your child will experience in a tactile way how words can have different meanings depending on their context. That is, that meanings are a function of interrelationships rather than the word itself. Place the blocks labeled dog and scientist in your play space a few inches apart from one another. Place the block labeled coat between the two blocks labeled dog and scientist. Ask your child, what does coat mean? Their answer will tell you which word they are associating with the term coat to assign it meaning. In the one case, when it is co-located with dog, your child may think of a coat of fur. In the other case, they may think of a scientist's white laboratory coat. Older children may see that the meaning can differ and see both meanings. Next, discuss the parts of a coat by having your child tell you the parts of coat. Place a medium block inside the larger block to represent his or her answers. For example, when they are associating the word coat with dog, the parts may be fur, skin, etc. But when they are associating it with scientist, the word coat's parts are totally different: fabric, pocket, name tag, etc. You can do this same exercise with any concepts. Another example is the word lab. Remove the block labeled coat and replace it with a block labeled lab. Ask your child again to define lab, and discuss how he or she might have assigned meaning to the word. Was it a Labrador retriever or a laboratory? Discuss the parts of lab and how they are changed based on the influence of context on the definition they offered. Your child is learning two critical lessons in this simple activity. First, children can understand that how we assign meaning to ideas or content is dependent on the context in which they exist, or how we organize the ideas.